Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Monday, March 15th, 2021. It is 6:19 and 36 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, cellular defense. So let's hop to it. Hidden ink between cellular defense systems. Date March 15, 2021. Source, University of Illinois at Chicago. Summary. Researchers have discovered that heparinase HPSC, a poorly understood protein, is a key regulator of cells' innate defense mechanism. Innate defense responses are programmed cellular mechanisms that are triggered by various danger signals, which have been conserved in many species throughout evolution. These systems can be set into action by pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, and parasites, as well as environmental toxins and dysfunctional cells that can accumulate in the body over time. A more thorough understanding of the commonalities and connections between these processes has the potential to generate multi-target therapy against a variety of human diseases. Researchers use a systems approach to track shifts in important cellular building blocks in cells and mice genetically engineered to lack HPSC. In this collaborative multidisciplinary study, researchers show for the first time that HPSC acts as a cellular crossroad between antiviral immunity, proliferative signals, and cell death. HPSC has been long known to drive late-stage inflammatory diseases, yet it was once thought that this was primarily due to enzymatic activity of the protein breaking down heparan sulfate, a sugar molecule present in chains on the surface of virtually all cells. While a major focus on the study was on identifying mechanisms of pathogenesis of herpes simplex virus, HSV-1. Their work has broad implications for the treatment of diseases involving dysregulation of HPSC, including cancer, atherosclerosis, and autoimmune disorders. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.